Hey guys, what's up? I just got back from Target and I got some stuff to make slime, so let's do it. First, we got some Model Magic clay, which is like shimmery. And then I got this color changing glue. And then I got this clear glue. And then this Elmer's activator. And then some lotion. Okay, first I want to make some slime using this color changing glue. Like, what the heck? Okay, I got this bowl. So first, let's put some of this glue in. It is purple and it changes to pink. Okay. Okay, I got the glue in. Here it is. And now, time for the activator. Okay. There we go. That should be enough. I put some activator in. And now, we're gonna mix. Okay, here is the slime. There's not much, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit to it, but here it is. It's so good. It's just like a normal generic slime, but it has great sounds. Just listen to these clicks. Oh my god. And I'm gonna make a bubble. Oh, that was kind of bad, but did you guys hear that, bro? This is such a good slime. Oh my god, I just made the best sound ever. Let me see if I can replicate it. So first, I stretched the slime like this, then I went like this. Okay, now I'm gonna shut up so you guys can hear it. Ooh. Okay, I added a little bit to the slime, and there's some more of it now. Here it is. Oh, and it's so stretchy. Guys, I never knew that the Elmer's like slime supplies were actually good. I thought they were bad. Okay, now I'm gonna try and make some butter slime. Sorry if you guys hear any noise, that's just my grandma making dinner. Okay, I have this modeling clay and it is aquamarine shimmer. You can't really see on camera that it's sparkly, but it is pretty sparkly.
I've been gone since Thursday night, period. I'm in St. Pete, period. I have a bunch of Amazon packages inside of the house, not there, just a bunch of little packages, period. Would you be able to just grab them and put them inside Phil and I? Question mark. Thank you. Or maybe you can probably put this on your Thursday night and then go straight to them. Wait until like Friday morning, okay?
Yep. Okay, here's our butter slime. It has such a good stretch. Look at that. And it feels just like clay and slime mixed together, which that's like what it is. But I don't know. It just like has the most perfect texture ever. And it kind of matches my shirt. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to make a no glue, no borax slime. All you're going to need is some clay and some lotion. Okay, just take your clay and take your lotion and put some of that lotion in the clay, and now mix. And there you go. It's obviously not a great slime, but it works, you know. So here it is. It has a little bit of stretch and it's kind of fun to play with. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.